What's this? I don't remember stealing it.
Ugh. Whatever it is, it's beautiful.
And I bet it's pretty valuable.
Gang? Hi, hello. Speaking of valuables, we might want to stow the loot. We're coming up on Dead Man's Curve. Yeah, it's a hotbed of highway robbery.
Relax, V. Real thieves don't waste their time on here. It's mostly for hacks and knuckleheads.
Hand over the goods!
Or in this case, both.
Hi, Dwayne.
Ah, nuts. Hello, princess.
Dwayne, what did we talk about last time you were caught trying to steal?
Don't do it.
I promise I'll never steal again. In fact, I'm gonna look for an honest job right now. Nice running into you. Enjoy your trip.
Guys, cut it out!
Rudiger, get down here!